Okay, hi. I'm Annalisa Aikman. I made this program called RhymeYomi, and I'm gonna boot it up for you here while I talk about it. So basically, I am a big fan of Japanese rap, and I have been for about 7 years, or 6.5 years now. Um, and a lot of Japanese music, like pop music and stuff, doesn't really necessarily rhyme, but Japanese rap is like one of the only exceptions to that. And there are a lot of websites where you can go on there and search for a Japanese word and it'll give you a rhyme. But those websites, the algorithms are very simple. They don't account for things like, like for example, tanoshi. That's the syllables. If you break it up into syllables, it's ta no shi I. And so, what some websites will do, or what all the ones that I know of will do, is they will treat those two like separate e syllables, and so it'll give you words that like don't necessarily rhyme with that. Like, what's the usual example I use is like kaimono, right? Kaimono. That's what it is if you break it into syllables. And so some of those websites will give you words like akimoto or something like that that don't actually rhyme like in practice, but technically rhyme if you break it up into syllables. And so that's the inspiration behind this program, is I want to be able to account for things like that and have it be more complicated. So I made this program. It's called RhymeYomi. As you can see, you can only type in kana, because it would be way too complicated to put it in be able to handle like every single Japanese word in kanji. So it's just easier to do it like that. And then it'll display the results in kanji and in katakana. It says furigana because I wanted to have it as furigana, but it's not, and I gotta change that. Anyway, so for example, what if I want to? First of all, it's pretty easy for simple rhymes, obviously, but like it's gonna give a shitload of results. Like if I put I don't want to do something too like hanabi, like hanabi is going to return quite a few results. But as you can see, we got hanabi and then we got igagari. I don't know what that is. Or like janani, or like dakara nani or watashi, things like that. And this has a lot of results. And so basically it displays the results in a list box, and then it has the kanji and it has the furigana. And I believe you can copy either one. No, you can't. Well, I'm going to make it so you can eventually, but it doesn't really matter because it shows you both of these. So there's that. But for more complicated results, like, I don't know, let's say, and this is only a recent thing because I've expanded the dictionary a little bit. What if I wanted to put like inabikari? I haven't actually tested this out, so I don't know if this will come up with anything. Yeah, it does. So we have inabikari, and we have other things like some of these are just phraseology. Some of them are just phrases that people use. So like, inabikari and kashira hidari. A lot of these have hidari in them actually. Hidariashi. I mean, I guess hidariashi is how most people say it, but it doesn't really matter. And so, now that I've expanded the dictionary, there's also like a lot more. I mean, as you can see, I guess I haven't really demonstrated the specific thing that I told you about, like the, so like, let me do kaimono, for example, actually. Let me just do that. So as you can see, it only gives things that end in ai mono, like chisai mono, chisai koto, goku chisai. Okay, it has a lot of chisai stuff, and kai mono, which is fair enough. But yeah, like shihara wa nai koto, and stuff like that. Kubi ga nagai koto, stuff like that. And so that's kind of the stuff. That's kind of my champion. And like, let me see, like heiwa, for example, it'll only do things that end in like that have heiwa, like end in a-wa, like shasei ga, nisei sha. Sorry, I'm not really smart. Eiga, fureya, things like that. And so yeah, that's basically the gist of the program, though. It's very simple right now. I'm wanting to add more stuff. Like I want to add, there are some English results that came with the dictionary that I used for this. I don't know if I can think of any examples because I don't remember them off the top of my head. I guess I could just do like a loan word and see if it works. Like a loan word that has a lot of I don't know. Whatever, it's fine. But some of these are quite long, as you can see. I'm going to make it so that like longer ones are optional. I'm thinking that some of these that like have like, you know, for example, well, I can't find a great. Oh well, this like, you know, all of these end in sensei dot, and so, you know, all the ones that are related to sensei, I'm thinking of making it so like there's sensei dot maybe, and then there's like you can expand it to have more of these, or maybe not. I don't know. A lot of this stuff I'm just gonna figure out as I go along, but anyway, yeah, that's really all this is. I just wanted to show you because I'm still learning Python. I'm not completely self-taught. That's a lie. I am in college, but a lot of this stuff is stuff I taught myself to do, and I'm very proud of it. But I never got to show it to anybody. So yeah, one last thing. I want to test this out. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I want to see if I can put like a name. Yano Akiko, maybe. No, it didn't come up with anything. Takahashi. I guess it's not that crazy. Sakama Daisuke. No, okay. Well, that's not perfect yet. I mean, honestly, there's probably not a lot of stuff that would rhyme with Sakama Daisuke. But, Daisuke, there's a couple. Hakana Yume. Nori Ai Fune. Yeah. Anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching. And there's not currently a working distribution of this like that works as an exe. I have it on GitHub, but it's just the code right now because I can't figure out how to get it to work as an exe. There's some issues I'm having with it, but once I do that, once I release that, I'll probably have a better documentation for this. But this is just a little video to show how it works and what it does. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.